Redeem the best code getgam now and enjoy a generous 15% Rakeback bonus for 7 days. First, go to the Gamdom site and click on the Create Account button. Then fill in all the necessary data and register or log in with the methods specified at the bottom. Then click on the Rewards icon, find the Special Offers field, then Activate Now, and enter the code getgam in small letters. That's all, the promo code is activated. Activation of this bonus is only available within 6 hours of your registration.